house. When she was going for a bath, unable to think of an alternative, she used her powers to create a son and gave life. Parvati delighted to see the boy and she hugged him with affection.
How smart you look, my son.
Mother, what should I do now?
Dear, you are my first son. I name you as Ganesh. Smart boy. Dear, I want to have my bath. You should guard at the entrance. You should not allow anyone inside.
Yes, Mother, I will not allow anyone inside.
I am the husband of Parvati. No one has the right to stop when I am going into my house. Do you follow?
Hey, you big me. Get away from here. You demon, first get away from here. How dare you call me demon? How dare you call me big me? You talk too much. I will cut off your tongue. Ha 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 ha. I warn you, better keep your mouth shut and get lost. I warn you, if you stay here, you will harm yourself. Hey, shut up. Don't talk too much.
Throw him away.
Ha ha ha. Shiva sought to please her by promising to bring the boy back to life, but alas, his head could not be found. A quick fix was sought, and it was decided that the first available head would be used to bring the boy back to life.
Oh no, what happened to Ganesh? How can I bear this? My lord, how could you have done this to my son? All of you get away from here. I want my son back. Parvati, I will do something. Keep cool. So what? It is my insect. He didn't disobey my words. You all are cunning. You have killed my innocent boy. I need my son at any cost.
I will do something. Keep cool.
Oh, Gana, fish the head of anyone sleeping on the north. Doesn't he look different? This new form of Ganesh will define him. The elephant head indicates fidelity, intelligence, and discrimination power. The Ganesha's tusk indicates his ability to overcome all forms of dualism. The white ears denotes his ability to listen to people who seek help and to reflect on spiritual truth. Ganesha's trunk indicates his ability to intellectual strength and discriminate between real or unreal. His big stomach indicates his power of creation. Are you happy now, Parvati? Yes, my lord. You're the eldest son and you're the son of this world. I bless you, my son.